Looking for a new portable device to work on the go? Need a cam to shoot perfect pics in the twilight? Oh, there's a couple of gadgets that'll improve your performance. All the prices you'll find by clicking the links in the description below. Do you have a cable you can customize with animations or maybe text? Now you can. Yep, this cable has an OLED screen. Download the app and customize the display with your favorite pic or quote, or even leave a message. Beware of a moving car. When you happen to use a third-party adapter, the cable will show you the info on what speed your gadget is charging and whether it's fast charging or not. When juicing up is over, the phone will tell you about that with a proper tone or vibration. The cable's super sturdy and pretty long to sit in the chair, sip the coffee, and search the internet. Are you a fan of long-distance journeys? How many times did you end up with neck, shoulder, or back pain because you slept in an uncomfortable position? This pillow should change the next trip for the better. As you see, it's bigger than any other ordinary pillow, but it's as easy to use. So first, you don't need any additional tools to inflate it. There's more. You'll do that liplessly with a single breath. Just seal the magnetic clips and put on a Lycra sock. Now your neck is supported from all sides. The kit comes with a sleeping mask to give you a private environment, but if you don't feel like sleeping, the pillow comes with a phone stand, so don't forget a couple of favorite movies. One of the worst things you can experience while camping overnight is a cold shiver in the "they promised me it'll be warm" sleeping bag. Meet a stuff sack with 2 battery-powered heat panels that'll keep you warm and cozy anywhere you need it. All you have to do is unfold the stuff sack, then press the button. You're ready for the nap. And when you're about to sleep the whole night, preheat your sleeping bag and don't forget to put the panels inside. What's cool? In the morning, you can fold all that stuff up and it'll be the size of a soccer ball. Finally, the battery's big enough to handle a weekend, so pack your bags. Yes, it might just be one bag, or better say a suitcase, where all your clothes will be neatly organized. Okay, so there are some packing cubes for your shoes, shirts, and any other essentials, but how to pack them all into the suitcase? Well, pull the upper part, and bang, you've got a mobile closet. It's time to check out, fold the suitcase, and you're ready to go. Yes, you've just saved a couple of hours. Are you ready for a big feast? Raid: Shadow Legends is celebrating its 3rd anniversary as one of the top RPG games out there. Yoo-hoo! From the very beginning, this game has set a high bar for the gaming process and continued to improve the standards over and over again, adding new content and game modes every couple months. Let's take the Doom Tower, for example, with its 120 levels and a whole world of new and terrifying bosses to slay. Speaking of that, there are hundreds of unique characters and bosses, and their number keeps growing bigger and bigger. But it wasn't enough for the developers. They've added a new faction of warriors from the Far East, Shadowkin. Finally, we couldn't forget about the Hydra Clan boss. It's without a doubt the biggest, baddest, and scariest boss ever to set foot in Teleria. Now it's time to join the party. Raid's kicking things off with free gifts for everyone, then adding in a bunch of new content and events. We're talking about new champions, new artifact sets, and a fully personalized video. Hit the link in the description or scan a QR code on the screen and you'll get a special huge B-Day package worth $40. These are 3 free champions at once: Miser Accord, Tiger Soul, and Romero. Plus you'll get 10 Magic XP brews, 10 Force XP brews, and 10 Spirit brews. That's huge! The rewards will be available only for the next 30 days and only for new players. All this treasure will be waiting for you here, but since it's Raid's B-Day, all new and existing players can get a bunch of free birthday gifts worth over $25. Once you're in-game, after clicking on the links, just enter promo code 3YearsRaid to get your hands on everything. We'll meet you on the battlefield! How's your back keep going? Constant slouching is not what it's grateful for. That's why a monitor stand that'll improve your spinal health is a must. But we prefer to have a stand with some benefits, for example, with a built-in fan. It'll circulate airflow below your computer and cool you down a little. In case you're not satisfied with the angle, just take it out and place it the way you like it best. Oh, it got too cold? No problem. Just change the fan to a heater. It's that easy. Is your colleague sneezing all the time? You can place the purifier under your monitor, and if your office is at home, it'll get rid of unpleasant and pleasant odors and help you focus. Have you ever wished to roll your giant TV so it didn't collect dust and was a little bit more compact? No problem. Yep, now it's possible thanks to OLED self-lit pixel technology. When the screen is fully rolled into the body, the stand doubles as a Dolby Atmos sound system. When it's partially rolled out, it contains a quick access menu so you could check the time and pick a song to listen to. And when the screen is fully rolled out, it's time to watch a movie. No matter the surroundings, dark night or bright sun, the pic will always be crisp and bright. This is the most portable and minimalist TV we've ever seen. You don't have to be a fortune teller to predict a big cleaning up when the kids are surprisingly quiet in their room for a half hour. Well, at least this handheld vacuum will help you get rid of the consequences ASAP. First, it's no bigger than a bottle of water, which means it's super portable and lightweight. One more pro is that it comes with several nozzles to suck the pet hair, pencil leftovers, and even the flour. And even in hard-to-reach places. The vacuum features 2 modes, so pick the one you need, then just dump the trash and clean the filter under the tap water. It's your lightsaber to defeat the dirt. Meet a PC that fits in your back pocket, practically. So this is a full-featured laptop with almost a 9-inch screen. Despite its size, it runs on 2 processors, one of which is the 11th generation Intel i7 with a maximum frequency of 4.6 GHz. You say you don't need the keyboard? No problem. Fold this thing and use it as a tablet since the screen is touch sensitive and there's a stylus. Want to play a game while waiting in a long queue? Okay, there are all types of ports you need, so feel free to connect any type of additional supply, be that a mouse, a joystick, and so on. Furthermore, for security, this mini laptop offers fingerprint locking and unlocking on the power button. And because it takes less than 8 seconds to start up, this Ultrabook is ready to go when you need it. Do you like to leave messages on stickers? We do, but here's the problem. They're constantly falling off the surface. These notes won't fall off no matter the surroundings and the surface you're sticking them to. Thanks to the super gluey adhesive and paper, they'll stay in place whether it's hot, cold, or wet. Well, it's preferable to apply the notes to a dry surface before it gets wet, though. The message was read? Cool. Now just remove the sticker. It won't damage the surface and leave any marks. Cold drinks and good music are the keys to a successful party. Why don't you combine them? Here's an ice bucket, the LED lights, and a speaker in one body. The device is pretty big to chill either 2 bottles of wine or 8 bottles of beer. That's enough for the whole crew. The included remote will help to set one of 7 colors and 4 modes to create the needed atmosphere. Finally, the speaker is loud enough to party outdoors. Oh, and the battery's big enough to work up to 10 hours, so it'll stand the whole night. Can't live a fulfilling life because of core or shoulder pain? This device calms down the pain and relaxes stiffness. It works as a personalized heat and vibration healing treatment. Fasten it on the lower back, shoulder, or knee and feel how the tension will go away. The touchscreen makes it easy and convenient to use. You have full control over this device for the best treatment result. For example, adjust the comfortable temperature and choose one of 3 vibration levels. You don't have to stay still. The device will adapt to your actions. This is what recovery on the go looks like. The brightest moments in our lives don't always happen only during the day. But how to capture them when you don't have those bulky, expensive gadgets to shoot at night? This cam is equipped with an AI-powered special night vision sensor. As a result, you can shoot 2K pics and videos without expensive equipment and even in extremely low light conditions. Just take a look. The quality is far beyond iPhone 13's pics. All the content is in its true colors. You can preview it on the 3-inch touchscreen and then send it to your friends and family right away. Cool! Just in case you get into trouble, the cam will send an SOS message with the emergency light. Yet we hope you never have to use that. Don't know how to make your open space office a bit more spacious and organized? You should check out this double desk then. Both desktops are big enough to fit all of the essentials you need to work efficiently and not disturb your neighbor at the same time. All the cables are neatly organized in the central power beam. Oh, you got tired from a long sitting? No problem. Set the height you need from 29.4 to 48 inches. You can even stand if you feel the need to pump up the blood flow. It's time to work hard and be productive. These are the icons that everybody wiped down to basically nothing trying to win the round in Mortal Kombat or any other game. Why don't you make them glow on your desk with a soft glow? Several lighting modes will fit your mood, and when you want to listen to some music, just make that blue light react to the music beat. Are you more into Overwatch? Okay, here's Bastion light that'll guide you to the victory. Press the upper part to make it glow with blue light, or change the color to red when you're about to smash your enemies during another gaming session.